flaming hot! Okay, so we've had a look at all the equipment, and as I said before, the first thing we've got to do is make sure it's all scrupulously clean. So I'm not going to wash every single thing up in front of the camera. I'm just going to do one or two of each thing so you can see what I'm doing. So we've used some nice antibacterial washing up liquid, and the water is as hot as you can possibly bear it. Remember, your hands do not touch anything, any of the implements. These washing up bowls have been sterilised first. Now we can make a start. The bottles that we're going to keep the water in once we've treated it, take the seal off, drop that in first, give that a really good soak and a scrub. I'm just going to stand up on here so you can, so I can get into it a little bit better. We use brushes, we use sponges and wash-ups, we'll use cloths, and most of all we'll use bottle brushes to get right into them, right inside. Give them a good scrub with this bottle brush, very important. Give the outside and the inside a good scrub. When we've done that, put it into rinse. We will rinse everything as well. So a stainless steel funnel is going to come in extremely useful once we start filtering the water. Obviously teapots, make sure you wash every part of it, the lid as well as the actual pot. A small brush to go up the spout, because up the spout is where all the dried tea will collect, and if you get that in there and give it a good scrub and a poke out, and you get all that tea for it. Same with the bigger one. Poke that brush right down the spout. Also, of course, the tea strainer. You may or may not use a tea strainer. I'll talk more about that later. I tend to use them, but you can get infusers that you put the tea in the pot so it keeps all the leaves together. I'm not quite so keen on that idea. So the filter jug, we don't want to wash the lid. We'll wipe the lid carefully because it's got some sort of battery power in it. We'll give that a good wipe, but we won't immerse it. The rest of the thing, it's only in 3 parts anyway, and that'll all be washed